Adding sound effects in Thunkable helps make your app more interactive by giving users audio feedback when they tap buttons, complete actions, or trigger events. It can be used for clicks, notifications, success sounds, or alerts. Start by opening your Thunkable project in your browser and selecting the screen where you want to add sound effects. Once inside the editor, you can use the AI chat to handle the setup if your version is AI-driven. You can simply type a prompt like add a sound effect when the button is clicked or play a success sound after form submission. Thunkable will then automatically add the audio component and connect it to the correct interaction. If your setup allows manual components, the system will add a sound or audio player component to your project. This component is usually non-visible, meaning it does not appear on the screen but works in the background to play audio. Next, you need to provide the sound file. This can be an uploaded audio file or a linked sound URL, depending on what Thunkable supports in your project. Once added, the audio becomes available for playback in your app. To trigger the sound, you connect it to an action such as a button click or screen event. For example, when a user taps a button, you attach a play sound action so the audio plays instantly. You can also control when the sound plays by placing it after other actions. For instance, you can play a click sound first, then navigate to another screen, or play a success sound after saving data. If you're using AI chat, you can refine the behavior by describing it directly. For example, you can say play a click sound when any button is pressed, or play a notification sound when data is successfully saved. The AI will automatically update the logic. It's important to test sound effects using preview mode or Thunkable Live. Make sure the audio plays at the correct time and that it is not too loud or repetitive, as this can affect user experience. Sound effects should be used sparingly to enhance feedback, not overwhelm the user. Simple clicks, success chimes, and alert tones are usually enough to improve interaction quality. And that's how you add sound effects to your app in Thunkable. You add an audio component connected to user actions like button clicks, and control playback using either blocks or AI prompts depending on your workflow.